In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize Koji's name and welcome message. First, make sure you are in the Koji backoffice of your JSM project. Go to Koji Settings and scroll down until you find the Global Settings section with the Welcome and Bot Name subsections. Let's first customize Koji's name by focusing on the bot name setting. Click the Edit button to open the Edit Message view. Note that before typing your text, you can switch between the plain text and the HTML mode. For the bot name, let's keep things simple by staying in the plain text mode. We recommend using a short and simple name. Here, let's rename Koji to David. Then click Save. Let's then customize Koji's welcome message by focusing on the welcome setting. Click the Edit button to open the Edit Message view. Let's use the HTML mode this time. It allows you to add specific formatting and images, for instance. Let's add our custom welcome message. You can emphasize parts of your message by changing the text and background color, for example. You can even use special message keys to personalize your message even more, such as %, first name S, which will be replaced by the name of the current user. You can add the following message keys to your welcome message. Finally, click Save. Now let's check the changes by going to the Service Desk portal. Note that you can also verify the changes by opening the chat on the right. Click on Chat with Virtual Assistant to open Koji. Here you can see the customized name and welcome message displayed in the chat. In case you want to restore the default name and welcome message, you can easily do so by going back to Koji Settings. To restore the default welcome message, click the Restore icon in the Welcome section. You can do the same for the name in the Bot Name section.